In this video, you'll learn how to deposit funds on Binance. By the end of this guide, you will understand the necessary steps to successfully add either cryptocurrency or fiat currency to your account. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance mobile app. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are signed in, locate the Wallet tab, which is typically found in the main navigation menu. After that, tap on Deposit to initiate the deposit process. At this stage, you will need to choose the type of deposit you intend to make. If you are transferring cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange, if you plan to add funds via bank transfer, a credit/debit card, choose fiat. This selection is crucial as it determines the deposit flow. Make sure to select the option that corresponds with your intended deposit method. For a cryptocurrency deposit, the next screen will prompt you to select the specific coin you wish to deposit. After selecting your coin, you will also need to choose the appropriate network for the transaction. Once these selections are made, copy the deposit address that appears on the screen. If a memo is provided, ensure to copy that as well, as it may be required for the transaction to be processed correctly. If you are depositing fiat currency, the interface will guide you to select your currency type. You will then choose your preferred deposit method, such as bank transfer or card payment. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, and Binance will present you with specific instructions or a payment page tailored to your region. If a reference code is required for bank transfers, make sure to copy it exactly, as this helps in tracking your transaction. Confirm all details before proceeding with the deposit. After you have completed the deposit, you can check the status of your transaction, navigate back to the wallet section and select deposit history or transaction history. Here, you will see a record of your deposit. For cryptocurrency deposits, monitor the status until it shows as completed, which indicates that the necessary blockchain confirmations have been processed. For fiat deposits, the status will depend on the chosen method, and you may need to wait for processing to finalize. If your deposit does not appear, double check the network or reference code against what you originally sent to ensure accuracy. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.